Hi, how are you? As you may know that professional development is very important for me and I'm trying to get better and better and better. Today I would like to tell you 3 courses which I'm taking online these days. The first course is Teaching Pronunciation Differently. It's a 5-week course and today is the first day. So you will have an opportunity to enroll, for example, tomorrow or even today and to start it. It's completely free of charge and I will write down how to enroll and where to find it in the description of this video, so don't worry. The next course is Writing for Social Media. I'd like to learn how to write better posts on Facebook and on my Instagram account. And writing for social media is on edx.org and it's also completely free of charge. The next course is Confidence on Camera. I have a problem. I'm afraid of being observed. So when somebody observes my lessons, I really freak out and I've got panic attacks. The same is with doing the videos. So I have decided that I should take this course and it will help me to overcome my fears and to be more confident on camera and to be more confident when other teachers or teacher trainers observe my lessons. But for this course I paid $10 and you can have the access to that course, to the videos, to the files, like unlimitedly. Again, I will post all the links in the description of this video. I would like to ask you if you are taking any courses these days as a part of your professional development, and if so, please share the names and the links in the comments. I will be impatient to read them. See you later, teachers and teachers to be. And remember that every Monday and Thursday I upload here new videos for you. So stay in touch. Bye bye.